Change your focus, change your life. What do I mean here? How many times did you feel that something happened to you which was not very favorable to you and you felt very negative about it? You did not feel good at all. Now it may be that you had a fight with your boss, you may had a fight with your one of the family member and you're not feeling good at all. It may be anything. Now negative feeling can occur anytime. Negative thoughts may come anytime. It is not that person himself is trying to put into that situation. These are the external circumstances and external factors which gives us a lot of those thoughts which are negative, and those thoughts create those emotions, those feelings which impacts our body. So how can you instantly break those negative thoughts? How can you instantly dispel those negative thoughts from your mind? And the only way to do that is by changing your focus. And how can you change the focus is something I'm going to talk about in this video. There are two questions that you're going to ask to yourself to instantly change your thoughts from negative to positive. So whenever you feel anxious, negative, when you have fear in your mind, when you are not feeling okay, the number one question that you're going to ask to yourself is, what is that one thing which I'm really proud of in my life? Just go ahead and close your eyes. Ask this question. What is that one thing which I'm really proud of in my life? Close your eyes. You will find that you will change the way you breathe. Look at how you're feeling at the moment when you ask that question to yourself. And if you are able to remember that one thing that you're really proud of in your life, it changed some biochemistry inside you. It changed your physiology all of a sudden. So ask this question with yourself, because you really want to change your focus from feeling negative to something that you're really proud of and which will change your momentum. And the second question that you're going to ask with yourself is, what is that one thing in your life which you are really excited about, or you may want to attain that, and if you get that, you will be really excited about that. Look at how you feel. And remember, if you were a child, how would you make a noise when you feel about something, when you get something which you're really excited for? It will change the way you think. It will change your focus. Ask these two questions from yourself every time when you feel negative, when you feel low or anxious. Wherever your focus goes, energy flows in the same direction. Whatever you focus on becomes a reality in your life, because when you focus, it is as good as you're putting some energy behind it. Your focus is equivalent to an energy. So wherever you spend your energy, you will become exactly like the same. So you may not want to put your focus onto something which is negative, but anyhow, if you have got something negative, something has caught your attention which is negative, and you are feeling negative, anxious, then you really got to ask these two questions with yourself, answer to these questions, and feel happy about it. Feel grateful about that thing. Feel excited about something that you have achieved. Feel proud about something that you have achieved. It may be anything. It may be of having wonderful kids. It may be having achieved something or it may be having accomplished something that you were craving for, that you already accomplished. It can be anything. So remember these questions. Never forget to ask these questions whenever you feel negative. I hope this will make some difference in your life. Try these and definitely drop in the comment section if you feel some difference, and if you have any feedback, and if you would like to recommend any other questions using which we can instantly feel pepped up, positive, and break the negative thoughts. So this is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off until we meet again.